Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an outside border thicker in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here many data. Now we want to make an outside border thicker. At first, select the data sheet, click and drag on our mouse. Go to the home menu. Select the border drop down menu. We can see here the line style. Now I am make the line thick. Select again the border and choose outside border. Then we can see we make an outside border thicker easily. You want to make sure the border is thicker, go to the file menu. Select the print option and check the preview. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.